We like to think our modern financial system is a miracle of advanced technology. We have algorithms trading in milliseconds and global networks moving trillions at the speed of light. But beneath the glass skyscrapers lies a structure built on an incredibly fragile, millennia-old human invention, debt. And every few decades, the world acts completely shocked when the global economy suddenly grinds to a halt. The financial media then look for the villain, a corrupt politician, a reckless speculator, a greedy bank perhaps. But if you zoom out and look at the last 700 years, you realize that while technology changes, the script of a debt crisis does not. Welcome to our crash course on 700 years of debt crisis. In this short series, we are exploring 5 definitive moments where the economy broke down and people lost a lot of money, tracking the invisible thread that connects them all. Over the next 5 videos, we are going to witness eerily similar cycles play out across history. First, Florence in the 1340s. The world's first superpower banks invented international credit, only to go bankrupt after lending massively to a failed war effort. Second, the Panic of 1873. Hyped-up railroads created a massive speculative bubble that shut down the New York Stock Exchange and sparked a global depression. Third, the Panic of 1907. A Wild West era of Wall Street gambling caused bank runs and forced financier J.P. Morgan to personally bail out the U.S. financial system. Fourth, the 1982 Latin American debt crisis. Nations flooded with recycled petrodollars saw their economies crushingly frozen overnight when global interest rates spiked. And fifth, the 1997 Asian financial crisis. A sad case of contagion, showing how fast global lenders can panic and blame others, rather than their own poor analysis. As you watch this series, look past the changing outfits, and look at how eerily similar the dynamics are. You'll see that debt markets are inherently unstable. When we feel safe, we take bigger risks, borrow more, and pretend or hope the good times will never end. But sooner or later, interest rates rise, lenders balk, and the musical chairs game is over. By packaging these 5 historical events together, this crash course will give you the framework to think about debt crises in today's world. And to check your knowledge, you may take this pop quiz at any time in your journey. Up next, we're kicking things off by heading back to the 1340s in Florence, where history's first merchant banking crisis erupted. See you there!